If you take this vitamin, you will never get another mosquito bite again. Did you know that the mosquito repellent has been on the market since 1956? Well, yes, but as we said, not many people like these mosquito repelling products because they don't like the smell, and they are also scared of the adverse effects of DEET in sprays and are more prone to getting bit by these boring bugs. So if you are one of these people and you don't like the commercial mosquito repelling products, then you should definitely try this simple and effective trick. And you will be shocked when you find out that this trick is very simple and easy to use. You just have to take vitamin B1. Can I ask you another question? Do you know what's thiamine? Here's what you need to know. Well, thiamine or vitamin B1 is a water-soluble vitamin that your body needs to function properly and stay healthy. The vitamin B1 or thiamine can be found in many different foods such as broccoli, onions, green beans, summer squash, kale, spinach, cabbage, eggplant and sunflower seeds, and it plays an important role in fighting stress and boosting the immune system. You should also know that the medical experts say that if you have enough vitamin B1 in your system, you'll produce a yeasty smell to mosquitoes, making you unappealing for them. Don't worry, people won't be able to smell this, but when mosquitoes get a whiff, they'll happily make their way to another target and leave your skin bite-free. The good thing is that taking vitamin B supplements have no unwanted side effects, so it can't harm you if you try it. People who've tried this approach say that it's quite effective, much more effective than the commercially sold insect repellents. You should know that certain health conditions can lower thiamine in the body, such as chronic alcoholism, Crohn's disease, anorexia, and gastric bypass. So individuals with these conditions may benefit health-wise from taking an extra supplement. Vitamin B1. How to use it? Well, it's very simple. If you want to try this simple trick, you should take 100 mg of thiamine every day, and in just 2 weeks you should start noticing a decrease in the number of times you're uncomfortably smacking these pests away from your body. But if this trick doesn't work for you, then you should try this all-natural mosquito repellent recipe to help you avoid having to use chemical warfare on your body as a repellent. You will need the following ingredients: tea tree oil, lavender oil, witch hazel, cooled boiled water. Directions. Note, you should know that this homemade mosquito repellent is very simple and easy to make, and it's extremely effective. Here's what you need to do. You need to fill an 8-ounce spray bottle halfway with boiled water. Make sure it's cool enough. Then you need to add half a teaspoon of witch hazel, 15 drops of tea tree oil and 15 drops of lavender oil. Mix the ingredients well and use as needed. You will be amazed by the results. The mosquitoes will stay away from you.